Okay, so real quick to use the band, you're gonna take the woven yellow band and loop that around the tree or whatever. It's gotta be about 10, 12 feet up, at least 8. After that, you are going to secure it in, just looping it into one of the notches there. It's adjustable, so you can use any of them. And then you have the other clip at the very bottom. Okay, this part right here is just a catch. So if you accidentally pull on one side and not the other, it's only gonna go so far. So it's just built to catch. Then you have the different lengths. So you've got one tab or one little notch or dash. Then you've got 2 dashes, and then at the very bottom, we just consider that fully lengthened. So if I say shortened, that means that the bands are gonna be all the way up here. So you're gonna press on the metal clip, push it down, take the tab of the yellow, and then pull, as you're pushing the metal, you pull up. So now this is the fully shortened position. The yellow tab meets the first dash. If I say mid-length, you're gonna take the clip, pull until the yellow tab reaches the double dash. That's gonna be mid-length. If it's fully lengthened, you're gonna take it all the way to the bottom. The other one is mid-shin, and that's just gonna be let the TRX hang straight, even it out, and then the handle itself, the bar that goes straight across, you want this at mid-shin. That's gonna be for your ab exercises.